how to make a free account on Weebly. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a free account on Weebly. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up weebly.com and you will land on this website builder right here. With Weebly, you will be able to build a professional website that grows with your business. We can create an account on Weebly for free. What you guys need to do is click on sign up. This is the sign up form. You guys need to enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, confirm your email, create a password, and then you have to enter your country. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and enter the information here. Then you're going to select I agree to Weebly's terms and privacy policy. Click on continue and you will get to your dashboard of Weebly. You can see right here, this is my Weebly account, which is for free. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.